In this video, I have an Epson commercial printer. Specifically, it's a Workforce Pro WFC879R. It's a pretty common commercial printer, and what I'm going to do is show you how to make copies on this printer. So this is a document I want to make some copies of. It's just an inspection vehicle report. So I'm going to go ahead and place it in this top tray with the words facing up. Whatever's facing up is what's going to be copied. And then on the front panel here, I'm going to go ahead and click copy. And then I want to make a black and white copy. If you want to use color, you can click there and it prints really well and realistic. You can change the sides if you want to do two-sided. And you have other settings that you can do as well. And a common setting that I do is how many copies I want. So in this case, I want 6 of these copies. So I'm going to click OK. And then I'm just going to click copy. And what it's going to do is process the paper through and do a scan of it digitally. And then it's going to start printing that digital copy. And it's going to suck paper out of right here in this tray. So you can see it's making my black and white copies now on the 8.5 by 11 inch paper. Alright, I hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.